guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a Misho haul. So I was recently scrolling Misho and a lot of videos were in my feed. There were a lot of cool tops, and I was definitely not expecting that from Misho because I have shopped a lot, like basic stuff. Like one of these is from Misho. And I do know that a lot of good kurtis you can find, like short kurtis, was constantly I've been ordering from them. But I was surprised to see that it did have some good shirts, t-shirts. So I thought it's crazy and let's just try and order. So I've got few in my hand. So I'm gonna show you one by one. Starting with this red t-shirt. This is how it looks. My size usually comes between S and M, and this is an M size. Absolutely amazing bright red color. It has like two stripes here, two stripes here, and the digit that it's written is 0 and 1. And it's very soft even, so that looks amazing on the body. So I think I would always say yes to this. Another next top. This is in the maroon shade. It's a halter top, I guess what we say, halter neck or something. This has a very like stretchy material though. There wouldn't be any issue किसी को fit होने में या ऐसा कुछ मुझे नहीं लगता प्रॉब्लम होगा. ये मैंने S साइज में मंगाया था. ये कलर इतना प्यारा दिखता है. Oh my god. I think everyone should have this color in their wardrobe. It's absolutely amazing. I think this is a lot in trending. I saw a lot of people wearing and I thought I should give it a try. So this is a shirt. It's in white and yellow stripe. So it looks. The cloth material is, I wouldn't say the quality is that great, but what can you expect in 300, right? Like, come on. So I think it's worth the price. Also has the string attached to the back. So when you wear it, you can like tighten this just to like make your shirt look fit. And I मुझे ऐसी चीजें like पसंद आने लगती हैं. And I feel वो बहुत ही ज्यादा ऐसा अच्छे shape में आपके shorts को कर देंगे. This is absolutely. Next, I think you would have seen me in a lot of videos wearing this. This is again type of like white and blue color. और ये ऐसा, this is an S color. Stripe में है white and blue, and you have to like tie it from here. इसके 3 knots हैं. देखिए. This इसका जो क्वालिटी है कपड़े का वो ज्यादा बेटर है एक्चुअली कंपेयर टू द येलो वन. येलो वन का काफी पतला है, बट दिस इसका जो क्वालिटी है ना ये बहुत ही काफी अमेजिंग. This dress is the last one, and trust me, never thought that I would find something like this on Misho. I mean, I never ever can think about it, or it's just me trying for the first time and being surprised because I'm pretty damn sure if I went to get this dress in any of the brands like H&M, Zara, Azota, 2000 से तो कम में नहीं मिलता. राइट, 2000 तो फिर भी मैं कम बोल रही हूँ, 2500 से कम कुछ नहीं मिलता है. और ये मुझे under 500 mil, I think around 440, 450ish. So like plain brown color. So its kind of neck piece looks something like this. So the neck piece is normal, it's a circular type item. Then from behind we have this very cute bow. Can you see? So when you even at the back, you will have this crisscross thing going on, and it's a long dress. So my height is 5'2", 5'3". तो ये तो काफी अच्छा है, like it goes till my ankle, so I'm definitely love this. It's amazing. It fits so good. The quality is really amazing. Even all of the stitches that is done. I probably for the first time I ordered a dress from Misho and I'm really, really, really happy with it because it, it did really surprise me. So this is it guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and if there is anything that you would like me to try, let me know, and not forget to subscribe, like, and definitely do not forget to take care of yourself.